Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're getting exclusive access to something mind-blowing: Google's experimental Gemini 2.0 Flash model. This isn't your regular AI tool, and I'm about to show you why. Long script, 8 to 10 minutes. A beat intro animation. Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're getting exclusive access to something mind-blowing: Google's experimental Gemini 2.0 Flash model. This isn't your regular AI tool, and I'm about to show you why. Screen recording of AI Studio. First, let's head over to Google's AI Studio. Notice this special option, Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental Model. This isn't available to everyone yet, but it's coming in 2025. Check out this first test. The model doesn't just solve the puzzle, it thinks through it step by step. When asked to sum up to 30 using three numbers from 7, 9, 11, and 13, watch how it discovers the creative solution of flipping the 9 to make a 6. This kind of visual thinking is next level. Now for the really impressive stuff. Look at this regular car image. With a simple prompt to turn this into a convertible, watch what happens. Show transformation. Incredible, right? The model maintains all the original details while perfectly removing the roof. Try doing this with current AI tools. You'd need manual masking or complex prompts. Let's push it further. I asked it to add beach gear and make it more summery. Look at how naturally it adds surfboards, beach bags, and even changes the color to a perfect summer tone. The consistency in lighting and shadows is mind-blowing. Here's something practical: decluttering. With just one prompt, watch how it cleans up this messy sofa. No more manual object removal or multiple tools. The model really shines with creative combinations. Watch how it places cats on pillows or skateboards, maintaining perfect perspective and lighting every time. This is fascinating. See how it interprets text prompts within boxes? I asked it to imagine old electronics, and look at the detailed result it generated. For our grand final, watch this opening car doors and creating a flying car visualization. The physics understanding here is incredible. What you're seeing here is just the beginning. This technology will revolutionize how we edit and create images. Remember, this rolls out to everyone in 2025, but you got to see it here first. Drop a comment with what you'd like to see this AI do next. Smash that like button and subscribe for more exclusive tech previews.